Prepare the front splitter, assembly kit, and necessary tools before assembly. We recommend using jacks. We recommend working with 2 people. Place the splitter against the bumper. The splitter should be centered and symmetrical to the bumper. Use a few screws to secure the splitter to the bumper so that it does not move. Then remove the bumper and splitter. If a cover or seal is attached to the bumper, remove it so that there is no other surface between or above the bumper and the splitter. Locate the original holes on the splitter. Insert the drill through these holes and drill through the bumper to make flush holes in it. Insert the bolts from the assembly kit through the holes made in this way so that the head of the bolt points towards the ground and the thread points towards the engine. Put the washers and nuts on the bolt threads. Tighten all the bolts tightly so that they hold the splitter and bumper tightly. In the places where the screws are fastening the splitter, unscrew them and replace with the mounting bolts. Install the bumper with the splitter to the car. Place the side flaps against the side skirts where the thread is visible. Screw the side flaps in lightly so that you can move them. Then determine how much the side flaps will stick out from the side skirts. Then tighten the screws holding the side flaps securely.